Hi guys. Hi everyone. Can you guys hear me clearly? Okay, you guys give me a thumbs up. You guys can hear me clearly, but you can't see me, right? I think the setting by IronFX. That's why you cannot see me, but you can hear me anyway. Shall we just wait for 1 minute? Somebody click like heart for me. Okay, shall we just wait for 1 more minute? I will start the session. Okay, so basically today we will do a recap on what we did in part one and part two, and after that we're gonna practice together in the real chat. Okay, any one of you guys buy gold, bought gold last Fridays? Today I think I'm gonna do the analysis using old chart. Okay. How was your guy doing? How was your trading in Asia section, London section? Any one of you guys sell gold at the moment, or none of you sell gold? Or you have any position open, you can let me know as well. Okay. How was the session last week? This it was what is me last week? I forgot. Was it me last week who did the webinar? I can't remember, guys. Okay, shall we just begin our session? Again, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinar. So today, topic we're going to talk about SMC concept and practical application. Part 3, gonna be final series of SMC. All right, and risk warning first. Our product are traded on margin and carry high level risk, and it's not possible. Oh no, it is possible to lose all your capital. Okay, and this product may not be suitable for everyone, and you should ensure that you understand the risk involved. And disclaimer, the information in this webinar should not be considered investment advice or an investment recommendation, but instead educational material only. Okay. And the speaker today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. What does mean a prop trader? So basically, you need to pass all the challenge from a proprietary firm. Okay, after that, they will give you the funds to manage. If you can make the profit within like 30 days, okay, they're gonna have the give you the profit split would be 80-20 or 75-25, but you need to pass that challenge. Okay, like could be 10% profit that you need to make, or 8%, depend on the prop firm. Okay, I pass many prop firm, I also fail many prop firm as well. So you want to know more detail, just Google it. All right, and the agenda for today, we're gonna recap of I'm missing one E here. Okay, you're gonna recap part one by part two. What SMC why SMC is different, key pattern and entry point, and example using SMC strategies. Okay, so we're gonna recap part one for fundamental. Remember that the SMC meaning that we're gonna follow the institution money flow. Okay, we want to trade in the same big boy, right? You need to understand market manipulation. Okay, SMC, they also using a reading algorithm price action. That's why you need to wait for price come to the zone. Whenever you see the price action, we use for confirmation, and then you're gonna buy or sell. Okay. And market structures, if price is bullish, what you need to do? Price gonna make the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We know that that's a bullish. If bearish, price make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Break up structure, whenever price, this is a break up structure. Break up structure meaning that trend continuation. Okay. Chain of character meaning that whenever price taken down or close below the previous low here, this is your chain of character here, and then continue to go lower low, low high, lower low, low high. It is same like bearish. Okay, right here. Price make a lower low, lower high, right? Price make a chain of character, pull back, and then gonna buy. This is your chain of character right here, because they make a new high. All right, is that clear? Should be right. Okay, and key zone, right? We have on the block, which is OB. We have FVG or fabric gap, liquidity zone. We a lot of wick, a lot of rejection. Okay, institutional entry point, meaning that whenever you see price, okay, make a lower low, lower high, take out the chain of character here. You're gonna wait for price to pull back somewhere around here, this level, right? And this level could be OB, it could be FVG here. That's why we call institutional entry point. Stop loss you put below here. This is your SL. And the key thing is that you need to wait for price to make a chain of character first. Okay. Liquidity concept, those like, equal high, right? Here we have like stop loss, okay, or equal low, the bill pattern, okay. Liquidity sweep meaning sometimes you can see the price just go down and revert, tap out your stop loss, okay, for the buy entry or the sell stop entry as well. We call stop hand area, okay. And those like the trend line, this one also can be liquidity as well. Okay, those like chart pattern, a trend line or breakout trend line. Okay. Lit. Part 2, okay, remember that we talk about the supply and demand, fresh versus tested zone. So whenever you see the order block, supply and demand, okay, we're gonna trade when it's fresh. Whenever it's tested zone, we're not gonna trade again. Okay, you also can find the zone strength assessment by combining with, could be FIBO, okay, or other those like conference with order block AVG within the zone. Okay, multi-time frame analysis, you should know that SMC, they are required how many time frame? 2 time frame, right? You could identify the key level on the, could be H1, H4, okay, and then your entry point, okay, that will be in where? Usually in M15. But sometimes you can't really see, the market, a channel character very clear, and then you can go down to M5. Okay, it is clear. Remember that. Okay, and we have inducement and manipulation. Inducement, you can see the false breakout, liquidity grab, and smart money trap. Inducement is going to be something like that. Okay, price falling, right? Oh no, when we like price make a higher high, higher low, pull back here. This could be the chain of character. Okay, chain of character here. And then some of the traditional, they will call this your support, become pullback resistance level. Whenever price pull back up here, this could be your inducement, meaning that this one we're gonna sell at the order block FVG, but traditional they're gonna sell here the resistance level. You get a stop out, a stop hand. Price go to your POI, which be or OB or FVG somewhere around there. Okay. Internal market structure. Okay. Market maker model, premium discount zone. Okay. Optimal trade entry, meaning that you need to wait for price to make a channel character, pull back somewhere around here, and then you sell. OTE, okay, they're gonna use Fibonacci level 61. They can use like a 61.8 to 79% Fibonacci for the OTE. Premium and discount, they're gonna have like 100%, 50, and 0, something like that. Okay, you want to sell, you need to wait for price to go at least above 50, and then this is your sell zone. Because we're gonna sell when price expensive, and then we're gonna buy when price is cheaper or below 50. Right? That's clear? Quite straightforward. And risk management, position sizing with SMC. The position sizing for the SMC, right? Whenever you see they require 2 time frame, remember H4 and H1. H4 maybe key level, and then you go to M15. Okay. Whenever you see a chain of character in the lower time frame, okay, your stop loss, you will have very tight stop loss because you wait for price to pull back, and then you're gonna sell somewhere around here, right? And this is gonna be within the H4, for example, should be supply zone. This could be like supply zone here. So if price pull back, your stop loss just slightly above this swing high or above the zone. Okay, and then risk and reward should be more than 1-to-1. You could have stop loss with a bigger lot size. Okay, that's why a lot of the traders they like to trade with SMC or ICT. So up to you. To me, ICT or SMC actually is just similar. It's just the way they call it differently. That's it. Okay. Partial profit taking. Whenever price is falling, okay, you can just quite straightforward. You trade 10 lot, you just close half. Then you run another half. So it's up to you. Okay. Hmm. And why SMC is different? Remember that traditional trading was a smart money concept. For traditional approach, okay, we trade support resistance line, classic chart pattern, those like M pattern, we call ego high, or the bill pattern we call ego low. Okay. Retail trader sentiment, they are trade on technical indicator. Those are lagging indicator. Those people want to trade with those like stochastic or MACD or the lagging indicator. Emotion decision making, some of the trader, they just purely based on their emotion. Meaning that, let's say, this could be M pattern. We know that, just for example, okay, we're gonna sell whenever we see the M pattern, but maybe slightly above M pattern there is the order block. Sometimes you might get stop out here, price go to the POI and then falling. Okay, some you said, okay, whenever, for example, whenever you sell here, let's say you don't know about the SMC, and then price keep rising, based on your feeling, you feel that price gonna reverse from this level, you keep selling until your old trade, your account gone, for example, or you got stop out, you got stop hand, and after that you feel so angry, You just want to do the revenge trading, and then you just don't care. You forget everything. You set up. You just, okay, I want to revenge. I want to get back what I just lose just now. And then you lose everything. Okay. Fighting against institution. What does that mean? Meaning that, for example, last Friday, you know that price has broken. We're gonna slide finish this slide. I will show you. Last, okay. Oh, what is this? Okay. Last Friday, okay. On the D1, you will see that a triangle like that. Price have break above resistance. Price gonna pull back here and then rising. You know that it's really strong, bullish, but if you keep selling, you're gonna get stopped out because you fight against the institution, which is last Friday. Okay, for the SMC approach, you will see that institutional order flow, market maker algorithm, smart money behavior. Whenever, what does mean here? Whenever you see really strong bearish or bullish move in a higher time frame, you should know that that's the smart money is in play. Okay, so you shouldn't trade against them. Price keep rising, you say, oh, I think I'm gonna sell. They're rising, you sell. They're rising again, you sell. End up, you lose everything. Okay. Price action leading indicator. That's why smart money, they like to wait for confirmation in the lower time frame. Those like price action. Okay, very powerful. Okay. Logic based decision, meaning that think about be like the bank, not the customer. Okay. Follow institution move. So you know that price was Friday bullish. If you want to trade the same direction with the institutional, you need to go to the lower time frame, wait for price to pull back, and then you buy. Okay, I will show you guys later. Okay. The core philosophy, they will say that be the bank, not the customer, trade with institution, not against them. SMC reveal where smart money is positioned and how they manipulate retail trader. Okay, there's a key SMC pattern. You have liquidity sweep at the order block. Okay, so price sweep liquidity above or below key level. So could be above resistance or above below. Price go down, stop loss, and then rising or falling. Okay, create other block at the sweep origin. So whenever you see the OB or at the support resistance, you will know that whenever price, okay, for example, okay, you will see OB like that. Whenever you see the OB, for example, at the support level, you mark the zone. Whenever price come, you're gonna buy. Okay, go back to the origin, then you're gonna buy. Reversal from the order block area, which is this one. Okay, so this is your confirmation. Wait for price to pull back to the OB and then you buy. Okay, break of structures plus fair value gap. Market structure, break of structure, meaning price continue to go uptrend. Okay, continue to go up. Character, meaning that price break below this previous low to make a new low. Okay, this is your chain of character here. Because if price continue to go bullish, they continue to go higher high, higher low, and higher high. They shouldn't break below the previous one, go the new low, and this is gonna be break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, and BOS here. Okay, whenever price make a new high here, again, it's your chain of character, break of structure here. Okay, inducement and pattern, false break to induce retail trader, quick reverse again in trail position, smart money enter at the optimal prices. Don't worry about this, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is what we covered in for the last 2 weeks. Okay, that should be all for today for the slide. Okay, we're gonna go over to our class together, which is yeah. I need to change to the ICT, but let's just rename it. I just put at the SMC. Okay. Okay. This morning, price falling. Okay, first of all, this one, right? Break, pull back, continue. Okay, break of structures. Continue to go uptrend. Break of structure here. After that, whenever price falling, a break below this of the previous low, then we're gonna say that is your channel character. So for the OTE optimal trade entry, you're gonna wait for price to pull back where at least 61.8. Sometimes you could add in 50% if there is a zone. Okay, like there is those are OB somewhere close to the 50% fit. Okay, so this your could be the zone to add in. Okay, within the zone here, sometime there has a OB, there has a FVG within the zone. So you wait for price to pull back and then you're gonna sell. And after that, what do you see? Price also make they're gonna be your OB break of structures, right? Break of structure here. Okay. And break of structure somewhere here. Meaning that continue and break below. Okay. Whenever bearish, if price continues to go bullish, they're gonna change of character. Pull back somewhere here and continue. This your chain of character. Okay. This is the break of structure. Break of structure here. And so on. Right? And then we have the inducement, meaning that price break below here. I think I'm gonna get the example is here. Basically, this is my sell zone. That's the reason why I sell there. Let me do the key level for gold. Okay. Let's just talk about last Friday first. This was the trend line. This was the resistance level. Price break above and pull back. You should get in the buy at 3404. Somewhere around here. Anybody of you guys buy last Friday? This is your zone, right? This is your zone. Break the, if you use a trend line, right? The trend line here break. Why I sell from this level? Because there's a pattern. How many pattern? We already cover how many pattern, correct? The D point ending with, you can use the extension or you can use Fibonacci that, line up together. Now let's say I do the key level. You need to combine with other technique or other strategy. Okay, that's how I get the zones. Right? So this is my sell zone. Now, price, my sell zone was here. Okay, the zone is big. That's why SMC or smart money needs to come in. You go down to lower time frame. The first time fight come here, I sell. Okay, I sell, price falling, the low time frame, which is they cannot close below the somewhere like swing the low here. Okay, somewhere here. And at this level, okay, in M1, I see that price has closed below, and to me, it's make a chain of character at this level. Okay, now price is make a new high, the new low here. Okay, so I wait for price to pull back somewhere around this. You can get from here 61 to 78.6. So if price pull here, I'm gonna sell. Pull back one more time, I'm gonna sell for my second sell. Okay, you can see that price did not rising, so you need to be patient, right? At this level or this zone, it could be your inducement. Price break below inducement. This is liquidity, meaning that gonna be the zone. Like you're gonna sell at the resistance. This gonna be the resistance level. Okay, so that's why first you sell, but I'm wait here. So price falling here at 76, somebody will sell, falling 70 or 60 pip. Rising again, you're gonna sell again at 76, and then you see the rejection. I did not sell. I'm still waiting for price to go in 78 around here. Okay, and price falling, and after that go back up again, right? This is M1. Okay, this is M1. Look at this is how the M5 look like. Okay, we go to M1. I still wait. Okay, still wait. This M1. Okay. It's the zones. Okay, my zone still here. I will make it faster. Okay, now price go in the zone as this price 79, price is falling, so basically I get in here. Okay, I would aim for 75. Let's say I aim for 75, the peak, which is at 75, the TP1. Okay, price is already falling, right? And now they go back up again. Let's say you miss, price go back up again within the zones. Okay, within the zones. Boom, right at 83, falling here, 75, that's my take profit at 75. And now, go back up. I was thinking, if we're gonna sell here, this is my second time sell, right? Gonna sell again, I was waiting, but you need to see that I start to make a divergence here. But it haven't complete the divergence because why? Because price need to make a higher high first. So I kind of wait. Right here, whenever price go to almost hit my extension, I saw the divergence here, so I have another sale at 74.89, somewhere around here. My TP for the divergence is going to be at the neckline here, right? Price falling from this level to this level, 72 pip. Okay, now go back and remember that price still within our key level. Okay, and in M5, I will see like that. Okay, TP at 75 is still there on the lower time frame. Okay, now I see that in M15, I see that price had made a chain of character here. Okay, this is my chain of character, right? Because they break the new low here to make a lower low. So this entry is done. This done. Okay, this is done. Scalping done. The new entry, we see the price action here, correct? Divergence here, price break below this chain character. You pull Fibonacci. Okay. Our sell zone is gonna be here. Okay. Price go in the zone at 50 pip. To be honest, this one I saw price was there, but I did not entry. And now price is falling very, all the way down. I was waiting, okay, at least it pull back to like 61.8 or somewhere, but price did not. But for the M15, I saw the FVG somewhere here. Okay, because this morning I make quite a good profit already, so I was like, okay, I can wait. But then price did not come to 61, but they go slightly in FVG and 50% fib. And what do you see? And then they're falling right now. Now it's at the 61.8. It's at 68. So if I were to sell here at 79, price already falling more than 100 pip. Now it's keep falling off. Okay. Do you see that? Do you mean I sell? I did not sell here. I did not sell. I was waiting at least at 70, 34.80 at least, but price only pull to almost 80. But I did not buy. Sorry, I did not sell at this level. I was looking at this level, but should I just get in because I want to look at the M5? It's like rejection, but I say, okay, never mind. But then what I can see now, price, shade of character. What do you see here? They are mega break of structure here. Oh, this is the BOS. Correct? BOS here. So now, if you want to sell, I will say that another sell entry somewhere around here at 72, 73. You probably pull up here. Yeah, 50. I would give you this price. 72 to 74. If the pullback, you may consider to sell again at this level. Okay. Do you agree with me? Do you think that it makes sense? Right? Any question? Any question, guys? Now, time for you guys to ask me the question. No? Okay, now you can request. You can request. Should we buy? Do you think should we buy now? Go. It's risky if you want to buy now at 76, 77, but if you buy, it's gonna be at your own risk. Okay, but it's quite risky, but yeah, you may consider to buy. And then I would put my take profit at 72. 72. Okay. I'll take my back profit at 72. Okay. Let's see. Okay. High risk if you buy now, but I buy very small lot size. Okay. This they should just pull here, somewhere around here, and then continue. Yeah, or they could go in M1 somewhere around this level, 76. Wow, if they can go from here, buy here, and go from here or here, and then falling, that's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, but high risk. Okay, you can take risk, go ahead. You can't, don't go for it. Don't trust me. Okay, I have very small lot size here. Okay, in M1, these are gonna be M1 like that. Okay, M1, okay, gonna be rising to 72, if I can see that. High risk. Because if price want to break below 67 or 66 here, the next level that's gonna be at 60, another 60 pip. Okay, so just okay, if you want to buy and follow me, this is just scalping. Okay, I'm look at the M1. You should aim for 71 first, TP1. Okay, TP2, another 10 pip. Okay, for scalping, TP1, 71 first, and TP2 right here. Okay, very lovely. Nobody want to ask me why I buy here. Nobody want to ask me why I buy here, guys. No? You guys don't want to know? If you want to know, you ask me. Okay, if you don't ask, I don't say. Anyway, okay, just now what buy at 67, price are rising about, let's say, almost 30 pip. Okay, almost hits our take profit, TP1. Anyway, okay, we go back here. You may consider to sell here, 72, 74, if you see the confirmation, okay, in M15. Okay, since nobody asked, let me continue to another a pair to do the SMC or find the entry. Okay, I will go to EU. Wow, EU at the resistance level, you will see that on higher time frame, this is my resistance level. Okay, this is my resistance level. So if you want to make sure whether is this okay if you're gonna sell at the first resistance level, so what you need to do, you go to the lower time frame. First thing, okay, I saw the confirmation here, I'm gonna sell. Okay, based on SMC, I won't see the chain of character yet. We go to the M1. Based on M1, yes, I saw the OB here, price closing with OB, rising on the block, and then you sell. Price did not pull back. Price did not pull back. If you were to identify at this your channel character, by right, you're gonna wait for price to pull back, right? But in this case, it not pull back. But I'm gonna sell here at the resistance at the OB. Okay, and now my IS gold, sorry, gold is hit take profit already. That's gonna be TP1. Okay, TP2 and this box, guys. If you hold your buy entry, happy for you. Okay, go back to the EU. Sell here, go to the box, you sell for the first time, price falling. How many pip? 16 pip for scalping. This is M5. Okay, in M5, what do you see? In M5 here, if price pull back up, what I can look here, we have FVG. This is your FVG as well. This one also your FVG. And then which FVGs work? Not every fabric gap will work out, okay? Just mark out for you guys to see. right? And this is their support level, or could be here, right? So you need to wait for price to break below this level for support. So I want to see if M5 price could break below, somewhere pull back here or somewhere here, and then gonna sell. You wait for price to pull somewhere here, they're gonna sell. Okay? Somewhere around here. Any question? Yeah? Or go, okay. Go to our sell zone. Wow, why strong buy? Why is strong buy, guys? Why is strong buy? Are you gonna buy? Just now we buy, right? And we close at 71, 72. So if you're gonna sell, this is our sell zone, but high risk. Okay, high risk. I have to tell you first. But so sell here 72 to 74. Stop loss above this. Above 80. Okay, above 80. Okay, above 80. Okay, you have a quick hand, you should already sell, right? Scalping. Okay, just now we buy at where? 66, 67, TP here 71, 72, remember? And now we sell. And now we sell price already falling 10 pips. Oh, just in case, guys, you want to follow my channel. This morning I do live trading. Okay, my YouTube channel, Silly Trader. Usually I will do scalping. Go. You can just subscribe if you want to. Okay, I'm so happy. Price is falling from 74 now 70, 40 pip. Quick, good job. Any one of you guys sell. Okay, even if you guys sell, happy for you. Now at 40 pip, you can close if you want to. Okay. 40 pip close, guys. Just for scalping. Okay. Happy to profit. Just close it. Okay, now what I want to see price break this low. Okay, want to see the price break this. So 40 pip, 40 pip just close. Okay, I already closed. I have very quick finger. Okay, if you want to follow me here, you can do live trading together. This morning I was free, so I'll do. Tomorrow I think gonna do maybe lunchtime at my time zone. Okay, just subscribe. Then when you see I live, you will receive notification. Okay, guys. Now, can you guys request, any one of you guys want to request any pair you want me to look for you? It's time for you guys to request now. Yeah? No one? No one? No one? Okay, I just saw. BTC. If you trade BTC, you should look for the sell entry, and I have the reason why you should look for the sell entry because money time frame price has the divergence here. You shouldn't buy BTC. You can buy at the support level. At a certain level, you need to sell. Okay, there's a BTC divergence here. Weekly, you see the divergence as well. Okay, lovely, very time frame. What do you see? Here, price action plus the divergence, sell, right? And price already at the break below, close below to me the support level. Okay, for the weekly. D1. D1, you'll see the divergence as well. There's a divergence here. Okay, divergence here. And price has break below our, remember, I will say that this is my key level for BTC. And price can break below, this is going to be the support level. And above that, you will see the bearish OB here. Okay, this one could be support level or resistance zone. The resistance zone. So if price break above this, the next sell zones you should looking for is here at the OB. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay. This is the first support, meaning that you're gonna target here. Okay. EUR JPY. TP2. TP1, TP2. I think I do scalping here for the EJ. Now it's rising. Okay, let me monthly. Is this all-time high? Yeah. Okay, so basically, this is gonna be your sell zone. Okay. Based on weekly time frame, there is the OB here. Okay. OB here. If primary rising to do the divergence, we will see first. I'll go to the D1. This is the OB. Okay, this is the OB. And price has already made market structure shift, which is at this level. Not market structure shift, channel character. Okay. This is price as your sell zone, guys. You need to hold. This is your sell zone. Okay, this is sell zone. Your TP1, this is your take profit. At this level. Go to H4 to have a look. Okay, how do you look like in H4? This is your sell zone. Stop loss above this 745. Let's say I want to enter now. Let's say enter now. My take profit here. My stop loss, I'll put above this high. My risk and reward 1 to 3. Okay. Still within the zones. Sell here or up to this price. Okay, that's your sell zone in H4. Big. So you sell now, your RR, stop loss should be above that. Or you can wait for the M15 again to go in the zone here. Okay. But in M1, in D1, price has already made a change of character. Okay, it might go back the zone in the zones or go to this one. So you can sell now at the OB. Whatever you like, you want to sell. Okay. So now you can sell now, right? Here. Sell now. Okay, and then your target is TP here, 67, 167. Okay. GBP and ZD, GBP and ZD. You sell or you buy? You buy or you sell? Do you have any position? You have any position? This is the first resistance level. Okay, this very nice overlap resistance level. Monthly. You buy both. You buy EUR, JPY, and you buy GBP and ZD, is it? Okay, so if you want to buy, you will see the pullback. Okay, monthly, it's go all the way there, but I see the rejection here. But it's very nice overlap. There might be at 78.6% fib. Right here, almost. Let me go to weekly to have a close look. Closer look. That is gonna be a zone here. Okay, that's why you see the rejection. And weekly, price could not close above this high. Okay, let me go to D1 to do multi-time frame analysis. It's overbought here as well. The wick in the body would be here for D1. Okay, now price had break below the neckline, and you will see that they are pulled back. You sell. You look at H4. Okay. At this level, price already sell right at the neckline, resistance. Can see that after that break above, pull back, then you buy up. That is the zones. And after that, price rising to the neckline for the D1 and then falling. Where do you buy? Which level you buy? Another buy zones is not taken. I would find somewhere around here, but it seems like there's a wick. There's a wick here. It already went in. You can see that it's already went in here. Okay. Based on higher time frame, you'll see the rejection. Monthly could go up to this level at 2.247, but I could be wrong. Okay, I could be wrong. And this is the level for the like a weekly time frame. This is the liquidity, a lot of rejection break above pullback, right? Go to H4 again. Let's have a, let me use the Fibonacci retracement. Exact 50% fib. So this is gonna be the support level, right? This is your support level. And price could fall in here. I'm gonna use this level, the green one. You monitor. If you want to buy, we have extension. Okay. Okay, so this is the beta zone. TP here first. If you wanna buy, you see the rejection, the lower time frame, you can buy at this level. Okay? Okay, guys. You're welcome. That should be all for today. I go back to go again. I think today I should be enough of XAUUSD. Okay, I think I gonna I stop trading because today I think I should be enough already. Okay, so guys, again, if you want to like trade with me, this is my channel. Sometime I'm live and then I trade alone. You can talk to me if you want me to look for you, those like instrument or specific zone. Okay, I'm gonna look for you. Okay. Where is a good area to buy gold? This zone. First, this is gonna be the first support. This is the zone that you need to monitor. If you see the confirmation, you're gonna buy at this level. This zone. Buy, first buy, second buy. Okay? All right, guys. I hope to see you guys again next week. Okay, catch up with me at Silly Trader, my YouTube channel. If I live, I'm gonna see you there. Okay. You're welcome. All right, guys. Take care. Good luck to all of you. Bye for now, guys. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, you have subscribed to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna see you there. If you see my live, just tap in because if nobody talk to me, I just keep quiet and then I just trade quietly. Okay. Bye for now. Bye bye.